Hello everyone, welcome to or welcome back to the channel. It is great to have you here. Today we're going to be doing a traveling open cup with this light blue. I have a titanium white with a little bit of the pearl medium mixed with it from Vallejo. Then we have violet, and then I have this gold from Deco Art. That is the, let's see, Dorado 24 karat or 24 karat gold, mixed 1-to-1 with the Artist Loft pouring medium because it's a very thick color, but it creates some really cool effects. So that is what we're doing today. There's still a lot of bubbles in the gold because I had to mix it up quite a lot, and that's okay. I'll just give it a little tap, get rid of some of them, some of the bubbles. And then I am going to put down a little bit of a base coat. Hold on a second. Not much, just a little. You don't need too much of a base coat. All right. A little bit of a base coat to lay our cup on top of. There we go. And then we decide what color do we want to start with. I think I'm going to start with this pearl white. Again, this is just the titanium white mixed with. And this is going to be a traveling open cup. So wherever this cup goes is where it goes. That is my alarm going off. Let me stop that. All right. So we got a little pearl there. I'm going to put this gold. If you haven't gotten to work with this 24 karat gold from Deco Art, you're missing out. It is a beautiful color. All right. And the cup's already starting to move, which is cool. And we're gonna let it do what it's gonna do. Going to turn it this way just so that you guys can see the bands, because it seems like the cup's traveling this way. So, oh, I almost missed the cup. I got to pay more attention, you guys. But we're going to let some of this, man, you can already kind of see the layers. Unfortunately, you're seeing a ton of bubbles too, but that's okay. And I'm probably going to have to help it stay generally in one area. I don't want it traveling off the canvas yet. Still got a lot to go. But how's everybody doing today? I hope you guys are doing amazing. I'm having a great day. Look at how that just looks so cool when it churns underneath the lip of the cup there. Looks really cool. Well, our first couple natural cells are coming to the surface. That's awesome. Yep, we're gonna have to help it. Look at all the cells starting to crop up. That's pretty nifty. Alright, let's see. Yep. One of you guys told me why it does that before, why it goes to one direction. I just can't remember what you said. Alright, little pearl white. Some of the stuff going on already is really cool. So I'm going to apply just some heat, because there's a bunch of bubbles right here. I'm going to see if we can get rid of a lot of those and open up any kind of cells that are trying to form. And there's a couple of them. Those look really cool. Wow. That gold is so pretty. That gold is like really intense. I love that gold. Man, very nice. And then just gonna kind of release this paint. swipe through it. Create some interesting things going on up there. And now we can adjust. Yeah, this thing's nice looking. Let me get my paint colors out of here. Yeah, I like it already, you guys. Let's see. Take a little bit of this excess that we have and get to the corners. That way I'm not struggling later to get there. This stuff will either, this should be rolled over by the colors mainly on the canvas. This is basically just kind of lubrication for the paint to move. Man, that thing's so nice looking already. All right, well, we're gonna give her a spin. Ooh. Oh yeah, got the giant blue cell going on up there. Oh wow, that is awesome. Jeez, so cool. All right, let's get that heat gun out. One more again. I love the concentric circles that open cups make. Really cool looking. Oh, there we go. We're getting some blue cells popping up in the middle of that giant swath of purple. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Goodness, I really like these colors together. Not entirely sure what it reminds me of, but that gold is so beautiful. Well, dang, let me get you guys down here and look at this thing, but it's very pretty. I love the colors. Look at all the little detail. I have the flash on so you can see that 24 karat gold, how actual brilliant it is. And it does some really interesting things together with the other colors. Yeah, we're gonna end up with many, many more cells than we have now, but I love it so far. This thing came out so good. I love this thing. There's no cracking, no crazing. It just came out super interesting. I love it. If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.